name is Kevin. Today I'm going to talk to you about how planes engines fail. Due to the engine Boeing 747 MAX 8, there are so many problems due to cause about planes, about lift. It will cause a stall every time it goes. Aircraft manufacturers on Airbus or Boeing isn't good enough, but for Airbus it's going to be expensiver than before. Then Airbus planned the new A320. The Airbus A320 has a new name now. It's called the Airbus A320neo. It was going to be designed from this aircraft. It would be the newest generation aircraft in the entire universe. And then the new Airbus A320neo will come out in a few days. It will just go into service manufacturers to get some respect and see how much force can this aircraft can perform. The Boeing 747-800 though isn't very lucky for the Airbus A320. For the Airbus A320, it's higher than the ground, so it can fit a larger engine. But for the Boeing, there is less space to fit a bigger engine. But manufacturers had a plan to get enough pressure or ground distance. They moved the engine upwards so they will have more clearance. But there was a problem with this. You can see that the engine is above the wing than before. So the Boeing 737 MAX, it's the newest generation Boeing 747-800 in history. But there was a problem. But there was a slight problem between these aircrafts. But Boeing's, they have something wrong. Like during takeoff, the plane is moving full thrust. Like during takeoff, the nose pointed to be too high, so it can lead to a stall. So a manufacturer doesn't need to design things and install a sensor behind the elevator so they can see that the stabilizer can readjust the plane's angle. The Renewing Carrier Imitation System, or MCAS. This was designed in the Boeing. They not only had the same of the previous generation. They would just go. They only have a 2-hour APA training course for the Boeing, but training materials did not. But the plane suddenly is nosing down. From October 29, 2018, Lion Air Flight 610 took off from Jakarta, Indonesia. Reports says from the Lion Air from 610 reported that every time that the plane takes off, the plane keeps on nosing downwards. They need to solve the problem, but they can only fly before 2119. After they reach that destination, it will just go downwards and then crash into the sea. They didn't thought of a way to get the stabilizer correctly enough. But they don't have a solution, so it crashed in India. So that's why how the Boeing 747-800 Lion Air Flight 610, but they cannot regain control. But all Boeing planes, like the Boeing 7300 MAX, has been grounded, so they won't come out anymore. So storm protection feature easier for pilots to control, but they didn't even find out a way. So the Boeing continued its flight before it's retired. But the Airbus A320neo was the winner. Due to the aircraft's malfunction, the engine keeps on nosing downwards. That is how realized that every people on the plane did not survive on the plane. That's the end of my story. Goodbye.